How to add lead in and lead out in Sheetcam. When you imported the file, select this operation, select the contour method, select as outside offset, select the layer name of this drawing, then select the tool. Make sure you have already made the tool in this tool section. So I have a tool T1 in this section. Select the feed rate, leave all other. Then these are the lead ins and lead out options. I usually select lead in arc of 3 mm for 10 gauge material and lead out as 3 mm for 10 gauge material. Then select OK. Now you can see the inside cuts have lead in and lead outs in the inside of the cut, and for outside outline the lead in and lead outs are at the outside of the shape. Change the shape of the lead in and lead outs. You can surely see, look, lead in and lead out both are perpendicular to the entry points. You can also see here in the inside cuts, these are tangent at the points. If we change this shape to perpendicular, then you can see both are at 90 degrees, lead in and lead outs. So best option is arc to get the best result, lead in and lead outs as an arc. And make sure your start points are at the middle of the lines, middle of these shapes, so that it should not disturb or distort the material at the corners.